In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in WP Engine hosting. Whether you're a seasoned website manager or new to this process, I'll walk you step by step through what you need to know to successfully add your domain to WP Engine. Firstly, open up your web browser and navigate to the WP Engine dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your hosting experience. Once there, you'll want to locate the login section. Enter your credentials and access your account. It's important you have administrator permissions, as this process requires authorized access. After logging in, head over to the specific area by clicking on my.wpengine.com. There, you'll find several options that allow you to navigate WP Engine's robust platform. To keep things simple, focus on identifying the domain section. Usually this tab is straightforward to spot and will lead you directly to what we need to manage domains. Inside the Domains area, there's an option to add a new domain. Click on Domains from the menu and then select Add Domain. This crucial feature lets you integrate your desired domain with the WP Engine hosting environment. It's time to enter your domain name. Be sure that it's correctly typed. For instance, you'd input something like yourdomain.com. Make sure there are no typos because accuracy here is essential for proper configuration. Once you have key in your domain, confirm the addition by clicking on the Add Domain button. This action signals WP Engine to recognize your domain, integrating it into your site setup, but we're not done just yet. After that, it's important to update your DNS records. This step aligns your domain registrar with WP Engine. Open your domain registrar account. Sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Find the DNS settings section where you will make necessary adjustments to ensure your domain points to the correct WP Engine IP address. This involves updating the A record to match the specific IP provided by WP Engine. There's also an optional step you can consider. Adding a sname record for www to your domain can ensure that both yourdomain.com and www.yourdomain.com will direct visitors to your site. Although this isn't mandatory, it's recommended for better accessibility. Don't forget to verify the domain to finalize the process. Return to your WP Engine dashboard and find the Check DNS feature under the Domain section. WP Engine will then assess if everything's correctly set and, once verified, will host your site on your newly added domain seamlessly. And that's it! Once these steps are completed, WP Engine handles the rest, serving your site on your brand new domain. I hope this process was easy to follow and helps you efficiently integrate your domain with WP Engine hosting. Stay tuned for more tutorials like these and feel free to reach out with any questions.